Oh, all right. Just on the other side of Malachi, there's a trail going to, he's got Cheez-Its, going to the 40-acre rock. Behind me is about 3/4 of a mile of gravel. Used to be a road that turned into a trail. Got a gate up there to stop you from coming in. You come down, have some rocks here. It used to be a barricade of some sort. You can see here they had a turnaround here for you back in the heyday. Bunch of pine trees. Let's paint this up pretty good. Let's come on through here and see if we can't find a 40-acre rock. Join me. Shall you? We made it to the rocks. So I'm guessing at some point we'll see 40 acres of rock here. But the grounds is literally covered in rock. And people's made chairs out of them. It's be a bonfire place apparently. What it looks like. Beautiful dead tree there in the distance. It's got little pools of water on it. Let's go check out over that side. So walking across the top here, this tree fell down and took the rock with it. It's literally got rock in the tree. Man, this is amazing. This is truly amazing. Here's little pools of water I've seen. It's so hard the water can't go anywhere, I guess. So it pools up. Guys on a little lake. The mercy on the other side is a big drop off we gotta get. This is truly remarkable. Yes, a stream here.
I would not be here with rain, so I would not want to be here with rain.
At the same time. Boy, it's amazing. Check out the view of the rock. I hear crickets down in the woods. This is absolutely amazing. Nature never seems to quit surprising me. There's people walking up that side over there. Apparently the trail goes that way. People, oh, I see the trail over there to a water, crickets and frogs. I just gotta keep grasping this. How amazing.
The flower.
Some really good artists out here apparently. That's nice. Everybody's tagging it up, writing their names and all on it. God, I wish I brought some paint. I don't know what this is. Kind of an odd star. If you look at it the right way, it looks differently. Truly amazing. Bad going back.
Like
Walk with me. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it to the waterfall or not with the kids, but here's the valley. It goes back up on that side. You see, I'm about to fall to the side of the mountain here, and there's where the mountain breaks at. Goes back into the land. I guess this rock is just so hard it can't do anything else. But coming down it was kind of a steep terrain, boy. Oh, steep terrain. Boy, this is pretty. Malachi sundown. Things keep going and going and going. So apparently they could grow stuff up here because all these trees are here on the top of here on the corner. But down there, nothing. Let's check it out.
Hey, Bubba, yeah. There's an acorn top.
It's amazing.
You hear me?
All these rocks.
Bubba.
Everybody else was leaving initials, so we left it. That top corner says 214, 20 years today. Get to the other waterfall. Here's our waterfall. Get the water, let the water gets collected all the way down from that top, brought to here,
right there.
and it runs right down and runs into the creek. Man, a bunch of foot traffic there for some reason. And somebody's left a blanket in the tree. I'm not sure what all that foot traffic there for. Let's have to wait till waterfall, but everybody's coming back the other way, so I'm thinking that was it, but we'll see. Check how far Max is. Amazing. How can this rock have its own aquarium? Literally got grass growing in it. I ain't seen fish. That's pretty cool. There will be a couple fish here. It's only a couple inches deep. Just sitting here hanging out in the dead of winter on top of an empty mountain. That's all rock. We're trying to get down to the waterfall. That's where we were at earlier. There's a bunch of stumps and whatnots here. Pretty rooty, rocky. But there's a frog down here showing his tail. Hope the camera picks that up. But this is a waterfall.
Oh, it says Bigfoot's home.
There's Bigfoot home here. Bigfoot lives here, apparently. So does Walmart, because there's my face. But that is a legit cave right there. And somebody put a Pokeball on it. The lighting sucks, I'm sorry. Wow. If something comes running out there, I will cry for a little while. That is amazing. All right. About another 3/4 mile behind me back there. We're back to the gate in the car in the little parking area. Pretty nice place. The video probably won't do it much justice. You really need to come check it out. I'm gonna put a couple clips in the video for Google showing where it's at, address, that kind of thing. If anybody was want to check it out. But pretty nice. Just it's in Lancaster County, South Carolina. Just outside of the actual town of Lancaster, probably 15 miles or so out in the countryside. Good fun stuff. Hope y'all liked it. Please join us on the next one.